HDSS. Speakers are nearly always the most limiting factor in the reproduction of pure natural sound. This is true whether you're in a recording studio, home theater, or driving in your car. For over 100 years, audio engineers have been attempting to solve the problem of distortion inherent to all speaker systems. It works like this. A speaker functions much like a piston. When a speaker moves forward into a room, it sends out a pressure wave that we hear and interpret as sound. But it also moves backward into the cabinet, causing the same pressure waves to become trapped inside. We hear the same sound wave activity outside of the cabinet that is occurring inside. Because each wavelength of sound needs a certain amount of space to expand to its natural length, the space inside the cabinet is nearly always inadequate for most frequency waves. Consequently, the waves then interact in destructive ways that we call distortion. These now distorted waves inhibit the movement of the speaker and cause the waves outside of the cabinet to become distorted as well. Since most frequency waves require more natural space than the size of the cabinet, and low frequency waves need even more space to mature, all the frequency waves mesh together in uncoordinated ways in the cabinet, causing increasing heat and pressure changes that affect speaker movement. Our brains have to make sense of these jumbled and standing waves. With HDSS, this problem is corrected. This patented technology delivers an elegant solution with no additional electronics or moving parts. When our ETL module is installed inside a speaker cabinet, the results are astounding. The open cell foam within the module creates myriad vortices that allow each frequency wave to reach its natural mature state, resulting in incredibly clear sound reproduction, creating bold bass sounds from even small speakers. HDSS, the future of high fidelity.
HDSS audio monitors for auditory training. Hearing aids amplify sound so they may be detected by damaged ears. Cochlear implants bypass damaged portions of the ear and directly stimulate the auditory nerve. Signals generated by the implant are sent by way of the auditory nerve to the brain, which recognizes the signals as sound. Hearing through a cochlear implant is different from normal hearing and takes time to relearn. An additional consideration is learning to interpret the sounds created by an implant. This process takes time and practice. HDSS audio monitors should be used with auditory training programs. Clinical studies show that neural responses to sound can be changed intentionally through intensive listening. Auditory training programs assist cochlear implant users in sound interpretation, supplement hearing aid use, and even assist normal hearing persons. By delivering undistorted sound to users of cochlear implants and hearing aids, HDSS audio monitors connected to the computer or television set will significantly enhance the benefits and may even accelerate auditory training.
HDSS, the future of high fidelity.